I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I get up right after my alarm rings.
I get up right after my alarm rings.
I turn off my phone at night.
I turn off my phone at night.
I turn on the lights when it gets dark.
I turn on the lights when it gets dark.
I never give up on my goals.
I never give up on my goals.
I put on my coat before going out.
I put on my coat before going out.
I take off my shoes at the door.
I take off my shoes at the door.
I look for my keys every morning.
I look for my keys every morning.
I found out the answer online.
I found out the answer online.
I come back home at 6 p.m.
I come back home at 6 p.m.
I go out with my friends on weekends.
I go out with my friends on weekends.
I bring back souvenirs from trips.
I bring back souvenirs from trips. I drop off my laundry every Saturday. I drop off my laundry every Saturday.
I ran out of milk.
I ran out of milk.
I take care of my pet every day.
I take care of my pet every day.
I check in at the airport early.
I check in at the airport early.
I check out before noon.
I check out before noon.
I log in to my email every morning.
I log in to my email every morning.
I hang out at the cafe with friends.
I hang out at the cafe with friends.
I come in when it starts raining.
I come in when it starts raining.
I show up on time every day.
I show up on time every day.
I broke down on the way to work.
I broke down on the way to work.
I get along with everyone at school.
I get along with everyone at school.
I carry on when I feel tired.
I carry on when I feel tired.
I make up stories for my child.
I make up stories for my child.
I go on a walk every morning.
I go on a walk every morning.
He holds on tight to the rope.
He holds on tight to the rope.
I catch up with my friends on the weekend.
I catch up with my friends on the weekend.
I look after my little brother.
I look after my little brother.
I put away my clothes after washing them.
I put away my clothes after washing them.
I give back the book to the library.
I give back the book to the library.
He turns up the volume on the music.
He turns up the volume on the music.
I look up the word in the dictionary.
I look up the word in the dictionary.
Calm down, everything will be okay.
Calm down, everything will be okay.
I go back home after the meeting.
I go back home after the meeting.
She cut off the electricity because of the storm.
She cut off the electricity because of the storm.
I fill out the form for the new job.
I fill out the form for the new job.
I work out at the gym every morning.
I work out at the gym every morning.
They break up after a fight.
They break up after a fight.
I turn down the offer politely.
I turn down the offer politely.
I take over the class when the teacher is late.
I take over the class when the teacher is late.
I get over my cold after a few days.
I get over my cold after a few days.
I move on to a new school.
I move on to a new school.
My cat passed away last year.
My cat passed away last year.
I pick up my child from school.
I pick up my child from school.
I give in to eat chocolate.
I give in to eat chocolate.
He looks out for cars.
He looks out for cars.
I hurry up to catch the bus.
I hurry up to catch the bus.
I sit down on the chair.
I sit down on the chair.
I'll call back later, I'm busy.
I'll call back later, I'm busy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.